Kira's Gaming, and today we are going to be playing Flood Escape 2, and we are joined with Kira. Say hi! And she has a YouTube channel as well. It is Kira's Gaming, and it has a picture of her Roblox character. It's not the one right now. It has a picture of wings and her. So yes. And right now we are on this one, medium, because I don't know why we just don't really want to do easy, because we want a challenge even though we're absolutely rubbish at this game. So yeah, we're just putting ourselves to a challenge and making us, both of us, suffer. So it's just amazing, isn't it? No, not really.
Yep.
So I'm going to not put myself down by saying, oh, I can't do this. I'm going to make sure I don't do that. So yeah, let's try to do this horrible game.
Ready?
I don't have a clue how to do this one. Don't ask me. Oh my god. How? Where are we supposed to go? Someone please explain to me how we are supposed to do this. I'd like to say I am not gonna get that. I'm so scared. And I did it. It's Girl Squad. Right, okay. You can't even get up here.
What? No. Oh.
I died. Great. Right, okay. I'm going to go into easy because...
Where are you supposed to go?
Do you want to go in easy?
Wait, I think it's only me. I'm died.
Right, okay. Nobody's in there. Nobody's in medium. People are in easy. So I think... I can't be bothered waiting. So I'm just going to go into medium. Come on. You can do it. Yes! You got in. Right, okay. Do you think we can do it this time, Kira? Sometimes the medium rounds are a bit easy, but sometimes like hard levels. You're just like, how do we do this? Right, I'm just going to follow all these people because they're pros at this game. I'm not.
I'm not. How? What? Where are people? Where are they? Oh, I think I went the wrong way. I'm dead.
I'm not gonna go get that green one because people are dying from doing that, so. Wait, is it just me? Oh, yay. Oh, for goodness sake. Wait, am I the only person? No, it's just me. Oh, no. How are you supposed to get that jump? I'm going into easy. I don't care what anybody says. I need to get those 12 wins. But no, I'm going
I
into
can't even
medium.
do it.
I'm going into
Where am
medium.
I going?
Nope. I'm going into medium. Let's do this, everybody. Right, okay. I'm so scared. Are you scared?
Yeah.
This one's a hard round. So, I can't wait. Right, okay. Oh my god. I'm about to die.
Come on, you can do this, Grace. I believe in you.
I don't believe
Just
it.
jump on. No! Yes! Oh, no.
How was I supposed to do that when the flood was there? I'm going into easy. I really don't care anymore. I'm going into... Are you actually joking? Are you joking? I'm going into that. I don't care. No. As soon as he gets out, I'm going in. Come on.
Can't get up. No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No! No! Please! Please, someone! I need to get in there. People love me. Okay, I'm going to spectate you, Kira. Okay.
I'm dead.
Everybody. Okay. Do you think we can do it this time, Kira?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
People from all around the country, or whatever I shall call you, we are going to not be able to do this, but we're going to try because, you know, we're not giver-uppers. And he's about to die, I think. Oh my god. Oh, this is just sad watching, people. ASMR! Okay. Come on, whatever your name is. You can do this. And he's gonna die. Oh no, he's not. Oh no, he's not. Oh no, he's not. Oh yeah, he is. Oh, he's about to do it. Oh yes. Right, okay, guys, I'll see you when the round is. Why is he not going through?
I have no idea.
How? Okay, guys, let's try another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna have to end the video because I'm not allowed longer than 15 minutes for QuickTime Player. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so hopefully this round is more than less than 5 minutes for me. But you're probably wondering, like, Grace, 5 minutes and 5 minutes doesn't count up to 15. Well, I actually quite like ending my videos early. So yeah, and sorry about the background noise. By the way, I'm really sad. Did you see me? Well, I got my wish that this video that this round was less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna spectate Kira because she seems to be like a pro at this game, even though she hasn't got any wins yet. But you know, doesn't matter. You can still be a pro at the game if you don't have any wins. So, are you gonna go straight to the portal thing?
Yeah, waiting for everybody else.
Right, okay, someone's done it. Right, okay, Kira, you can do this. You can do this. I'm actually quite scared for you. You did it! Yes, you did it.
Happy.
Ow, I hurt my hands. Right, okay.
Wow.
Where are you? Okay. You're doing very well right now. I don't want to jinx you, so I'm not going to say anything. How are you supposed
Oh, you joking me?
Right, okay. We have like about 3 minutes left. Alright.
Where can you go?
Oh god. You're gonna die. Oh, just follow that girl. Kira! Keep jumping. Jump! That's scary. Right.
Oh my god.
If you fall now. You're on the coding! You're about to get a win, hopefully. Right, okay.
Right.
She's going to do that side, you do that side. Come on. We've had practice. She's done it. Quick. Okay, Kira, you can do this. Kira, you can do it. Quick, run through.
I am! But, oh my god, it's her. She did it. Wait, what?
You
I
won.
can't do it.
You got
I
a win.
won.
You got a
I
win.
won. Oh, yeah.
You got a win. Guys, Kira got our first win, and right now we are going to have to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you smash the subscribe button there, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video, and like and share with your family and friends. So if you like watching me fail at this game, I will do more, because people, for some reason, like watching me suffer. And yes, yeah. Okay, bye guys.